What's going on, everybody? It's Marsellis back again with another video, and today we're going to be going over Bitcoin. So Bitcoin actually just reached a big point right now. It just now reached the point of resistance, which was $60,000. So Bitcoin was hovering between $60,000, well, $59,000, and down here around $45,000. That was the lowest dip we had, but it was been hovering really around 59,000. We got to 61,000 here, but now we're back at 60,000, breaking that resistance. And we can definitely, I want to see Bitcoin at 61,000 by the end of the day today, and I want to see it at 65,000 by the end of the weekend. But I definitely think Bitcoin is really going to start going up. I made a previous video about how Bitcoin wasn't going to continue to rise and rise and rise, and this actually surprised me because everything really is up right now. And usually crypto is up in the mornings. This 1:33 a.m. right now, and crypto is up right now. I'm doing very good on Ethereum Classic right now. I'm up $100 on Ethereum Classic, and then we go over here on Doge. I'm actually only up 369, but it's still good. But yeah, Bitcoin right now is going crazy, and that's a really big jump for Bitcoin, and it's really been trading sideways for the past not 3 months, but I would say about past 2 months. It's been trading sideways, and this is a really big point for Bitcoin right now. But what happens next, I am not too sure, because as you can see, we've been going up, and then we've been getting resistance, and then this has been trading sideways, and we really haven't been going up too much or down too much. So what I think is next for Bitcoin is we're gonna keep going up slowly, and hopefully we'll get up to 65k. And I really want to see 100k by the end of this year with Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is the new currency, and a lot of places are starting to use Bitcoin and accept it. I know airlines are starting to accept Bitcoin. There are some NFL teams that are starting to accept Doge. So like everything is going crazy in the crypto world right now. And it says I only have $1 inside of Bitcoin right now, because I just like to put $1 in it so I can watch it. So I can watch. It says I'm up 4%, and that's where the resistance was. But we broke resistance, so we should hopefully keep on going up. We already got the 61k before, so there's no reason why we can't get to 65k now. And if we get to 65k, there's no reason that we can't get to 70. It's just all in how everyone puts their money in and how we play this. Because if everyone is buying Bitcoin, and if everyone is using Bitcoin, and then Bitcoin will just keep going up. If everyone's talking about it, it'll keep going up. And all the other cryptos, I just see those as promotions for Bitcoin. The more those go up, the more those get talked about, the more money Bitcoin goes up by. So definitely watch out for Bitcoin. I don't really buy much on Bitcoin. I like the altcoins. I like doing Ethereum. I like doing Dogecoin, stuff like that. But yeah, Bitcoin's a pretty good one. And yeah, check out Bitcoin. Bitcoin is definitely going to be going up in the long run. And if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll be back at it again with another video.